Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best flagpole kits is probably one of the most straightforward ways to show your pride or support. These kits offer a complete solution, making it easy for anyone to install a flagpole. Whether you're looking to display the national flag, a team banner, or a personal emblem, a well-chosen kit can significantly enhance your property's appearance and your ability to express yourself. Number 5. Barcetine 5 feet stainless steel flagpole. This is the Barcetine 5 feet stainless steel flagpole. It's designed for outdoor use and perfect for displaying your flags. It's a great addition to any home. This flagpole kit is suitable for flags of different sizes, including 2x3, 3x5, and 4x6 flags. The adjustable grommets make it easy to fit most flags. It's designed for your convenience. The pole features a 360-degree rotating design with anti-wrap rings. This allows your flag to fly freely in the wind without getting tangled. This feature ensures your flag is always visible. The included bracket offers two display options. You can fly your flag horizontally or at a 45-degree upward angle. This allows you to customize the display to your liking. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this flagpole is built to last. The 1-inch thick diameter ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. It's a durable choice for any outdoor setting. This complete kit includes a mounting bracket for easy installation on walls, roofs, or even your truck. It's perfect for decorating your house, porch, deck, garage, or patio. It's a simple way to add a touch of patriotism. What we like. This flagpole features a tangle-free design, ensuring your flag always flies freely. It also offers a 2-position bracket, allowing you to display your flag at different angles. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile flagpole for your home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. When it arrived, we were surprised to see that the pole portion comes in parts, allowing the user to screw in the lengths needed for their particular setup. The brackets and clips are very nicely made and are highly functional, and it is apparent that once the flag is attached, it's not going anywhere, it's that well made. Holds up to strong winds and the flag doesn't get wrapped up or caught. Number 4. Barcetine 5-foot tangle-free flagpole kit. Introducing the Barcetine flagpole, designed with 360-degree rotating rings. This feature ensures your flags fly freely, without wrapping around the pole. It's perfect for any outdoor setting. Crafted from stainless steel, this 1-inch flagpole is built to last. Its robust construction can withstand various weather conditions. This makes it an ideal choice for your home. The Barcetine flagpole is designed with adjustable grommets. It is suitable for flags of various sizes, including 2x3, 3x5, and 4x6 flags. This versatility makes it a great fit for many flags. The included bracket offers flexibility in how you display your flag. You can choose to fly it horizontally or at a 45-degree upward angle. It allows you to customize the display to your preference. With your purchase, you'll receive one flagpole and one bracket. We also offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and we will respond within 24 hours. What we like. With its sturdy and rust-free construction, this flagpole is built to withstand all weather conditions. The tangle-free design ensures your flag waves smoothly in the wind. If you live in an area with strong winds or harsh weather, you should consider this durable flagpole. What people say. When it arrived, we were surprised to see that the pole portion comes in parts, allowing the user to screw in the lengths needed for their particular setup. The brackets and clips are very nicely made and are highly functional, and it is apparent that once the flag is attached, it's not going anywhere, it's that well made. Holds up to strong winds and the flag doesn't get wrapped up or caught. Number 3. Heavy-duty metal flagpole kit for outdoor display. Enhance your home's exterior with this sleek flagpole. It's perfect for displaying flags on any occasion, from everyday use to holidays like Independence Day. This versatile kit fits various flag sizes, making it a great addition to any home. This flagpole is made from durable stainless steel, designed to withstand all types of weather. It resists rain, snow, and sun, ensuring a long-lasting display for your home, porch, or garden. You can count on it to last. The flagpole features 360 degrees rotating anti-wrap rings, allowing your flag to fly freely. This design prevents tangling, even in windy conditions, ensuring your flag is always visible and elegant. It's designed for ease of use. The bracket offers two positions, horizontal or 45 degrees upward. This allows you to display your flag in the way you like. It's suitable for various flags and banners, enhancing your patriotic decor effortlessly. Set up your flagpole in just 5 minutes with a simple assembly process. It's designed for easy installation and removal, and it's also easy to store during extreme weather. This ensures long-term durability and convenience. What we like. This flagpole kit offers an elegant and durable solution for your outdoor flag display. The 360 degrees tangle-free design ensures your flag flies smoothly. If you like a classic look and want a hassle-free experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The pole and hardware are easy to install. It waves nicely in the wind and does not get twisted around the pole. It is well made and very sturdy. Number 2. American flag kit with pole and mount. This kit includes everything you need for a perfect display. It comes with a beautiful American flag, a sturdy flagpole, a reliable bracket, and all the necessary hardware. It's a complete package for your convenience. The flagpole is made of heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring durability. It can withstand harsh weather conditions like strong winds and heavy rain without rusting. This ensures it will last for a long time. The kit features 360 degrees rotating rings to prevent tangling. This design allows the flag to wave freely in any direction. You won't have to worry about frustrating twists or knots. The adjustable bracket offers flexible display options. You can mount it horizontally or at a 45 degrees angle. This allows you to showcase the flag in a way that best suits your space. The kit is designed for quick and easy setup. It includes all the necessary mounting hardware for outdoor use. You can easily install it on walls, fences, or porches in minutes. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for an immediate flag display, including an American flag. The sturdy and rust-resistant construction ensures it can withstand the elements. If you are looking for a complete, easy-to-install solution, this all-in-one kit is ideal. What people say. Flag that is included is made of quality material. Had a dust storm yesterday and the flag didn't wrap around itself once due to the anti-wrap design. By far this is the best flagpole I have ever purchased. Good quality, metal, Real stars, easy to set up, etc. Number 1. Loretoy 6 feet stainless steel wall-mounted flagpole kit. This flagpole kit offers adjustable length from 1.3 feet to 6 feet. It is suitable for various flag sizes, allowing you to customize it based on your needs. You can easily adjust it to fit your flag. Made of heavy-duty stainless steel, this pole is built to last. The thickened design and lengthened screws ensure it is sturdy and can withstand outdoor conditions. It won't bend or break easily. The kit includes rotating rings to prevent your flag from tangling. The two-position bracket allows the flag to fly freely in the wind. This design ensures a smooth and unobstructed display. Installation is simple and tool-free. Just connect the threaded joints and adjust the rings. It's designed for easy setup in various locations, such as your house or garden. The package includes all the necessary components for setup. You'll receive flagpoles, a flagpole head, rings, a base, and screw kits. Everything you need is included for a quick and easy installation. What we like. This flagpole offers an adjustable length, allowing you to customize the display for different flag sizes. The thickened flagpole and tangle-free accessories ensure durability and ease of use. If you need flexibility in your flag display, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very robust pole, easy to put together, even without instructions. The pole comes in multiple pieces and appears to be pretty sturdy. Easy to put together right out of the box and seems very well made for the price. Seems to work well keeping the flag from getting twisted up on a windy day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.